After an amazing battle between Lewis Hamilton and Max Verstappen at Spain, the fifth part of this battle headed towards the iconic streets of Monaco from 20th to 23rd May. In the qualifying session, Max Verstappen qualified on P2 and the Mercedes seemed to lack a lot of pace as Lewis Hamilton qualified on P7. In the qualifying battle, it was Max Verstappen who was able to reduce the lead of Lewis Hamilton, but still, Lewis Hamilton had an advantage of 3 races to 2 races over Max Verstappen. On race day, Charles Leclerc, who was on pole position, was not able to start the race because of a drive shaft problem. Though Max Verstappen was not starting on P1, there was nobody in front of him. At the start of the race, Max Verstappen was able to withstand the charge of Valtteri Bottas for the lead of the race. Valtteri Bottas then retired from the race because a tire was not coming out in his pit stop. Max Verstappen was even able to withstand Carlos Sainz, who was also targeting for the race victory. On the other side, Lewis Hamilton, who was starting on P7, was just like stuck behind Pierre Gasly for the whole of his race. He even tried the undercut on Pierre Gasly, but it was unsuccessful. At the end of the race, it was Max Verstappen who won the race by almost 10 seconds and Lewis Hamilton finished on P7. In the race, there was sadness in one side of the Mercedes garage as there was a DNF in front of Valtteri Bottas and Lewis Hamilton finished on P7. And on the other side, there was happiness on the face of Max Verstappen as well as Red Bull for winning the race. In the race head-to-head battle also, Max Verstappen was able to reduce the lead of Lewis Hamilton. Now, moving on to the full season stats after the fifth round of race at Monaco. In the lap sled battle, Max Verstappen was able to increase his lead over Lewis Hamilton by a very big margin. And in the World Championship points, Max Verstappen took the lead over Lewis Hamilton by 5 points. And it was first time in Max Verstappen's career that he was leading the Drivers' Championship. The next time this battle resumes will be at Azerbaijan. If you want to see the full race review of this race, then click on the link in the description box down below. And yes, if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe the channel. Thank you everyone so much for watching and I hope to see you all in the next one.